What's going on, guys? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and I wanted to talk to you really quickly about the rear window panels from Sherpa. So if you already have a 4Runner and you have a roof rack from Sherpa, this is a great accessory to go along with it. It bolts right to the side of your roof rack with 6 bolts up top, and then we have 2 suction cups here on the lower portion of your rear window. Installation on this is pretty easy. We have a full install video on it. If you're interested, I'll put it below. But to go along with your rear window panels, you can add all sorts of different accessories to the side of your 4Runner. Right here we have some traction board mounts, and on the other side we have some Rotopax can mounts. There's a bunch of different options that you can get to mount different off-road accessories to the side of your 4Runner with these window panels. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in these rear window panels or anything else from Sherpa, it's available on yodaexpedition.com. I'll put our link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.